Good morning. This is our pre-vacation. Just out hanging out in the beautiful Gulf of Mexico today, and we just spotted 3 gorgeous spotted rays. I don't know if you can see them. Man, they're gorgeous. I would say a 3-foot wingspan on them. So, anyways, this is a gorgeous day. We've almost a minute into the water before our first wildlife sighting. Water is crystal clear today. It's going to be a nice ride. So we'll see if we find anything else while we're out here. Well, good morning, buddy. How are you today? Look at all the grass on your back. Today is just a gorgeous day. We've got 15 feet visibility from the top. Just found a manatee hanging out. He come over to say hi. I don't know if he's gonna stick around or not, but he's swimming off of that way. Yep. There's the lighthouse. We're out by Anclote Island. Seen several dolphins, a couple sharks. The stingray, or the spotted rays. There might be more manatees around, you never know. So yeah, either snook or tarpon. So all kinds of things you can see when you're looking through the water. Just take your time, slow down, and enjoy the view. Bet I can't just put the camera in the water. I've lost so many of them to water. Alrighty, we're gonna continue our trip. Well, let's try this. I don't know if you can see all the fish. We've made it out to 3 Anclote sandbar. And we're just walking in the water, which we like to do because we get exercise. Oh, there's a nice trout. And all the bait fish swimming around. There were some mullet. I don't know where they went. But I don't know if you can see them all. This is why we love Florida. This is just normal. Oh, there's the mullet up in front of us up there. Something hit in the water. Is that mullet or trout? Oh, that mullet. We came in and about 2 feet of water. We had 3 sharks at the tip of the island out there, and they were probably 4, 5 foot. So I'm hoping you guys can see this. Yep, there's a bunch out there. No mullet. See if I can catch up with that group real quick. So yeah, we like to walk in the water. It makes it fun. See them all? Those are trout. Those ain't mullet. You see them all? Sorry, I'm probably kind of jerky with the phone, but you better get used to it because Europe's coming. 8 days till we leave for Europe. Alrighty. Catch the stingray. He's probably gonna take off. He's out there in the weeds. I don't know. Yep, he took off over the weeds. He's about 14 inches. We got a stingray out there and probably 8, 10 snook. Looks like there's some more over that way. Oh, there's a whole big school over there. Let's walk that way and see what we can find. See the snook out there? Yep, that's a school mullet. So up here's our second manatee of the day. Just hanging out in the shallows. He's a little one. Looks little. Yep, he's just hanging out, moving slow. He's going down a little bit. Anyways, second one for the day.